You can launch the Spotlight Cloud Diagnostic Server app from the Diagnostic server. Enter your Quest account credentials and select Sign In. From the home screen, we can see an application status summary as well as the 6 configuration options. We're going to begin with connections. From the Connection Manager home screen, we can see existing connections listed as well as the option to discover or manually create new connections. From the drop-down list, we choose a type of connection and select OK. We enter the SQL Server information and choose between Windows or SQL Server authentication. We're also going to connect Windows Server monitoring to this connection. We can choose between a domain account or a local user account. Click OK to save. You will see the new connection on the Connection Manager screen. Select Monitor to open Spotlight Cloud for this server. For more information on connections, check out the video Creating Connections. Now we're going to look at alarms. Alarms can be configured at a template level or at a server level. We would recommend using templates, as templates can be applied to multiple servers. On the table we can see a list of all the alarms that are available, and if we want to edit any of these alarms, we simply double click on the alarm and ensure factory settings is disabled. In this example, we're looking at CPU as a percentage. We can add extra severity levels or remove existing ones. We can also change the thresholds of the alarm. This will be graphed on screen, and once we're completed, click OK. To apply this configuration to servers, click the Apply Configuration To button, save the changes, and at this point we can select certain alarms that may not be relevant to our particular configuration. Now we can select which servers we want to apply this configuration to. We get a brief summary of the changes and click Apply to save. For more information on working with alarms, check out the video Configuring Alarms. We'll now look at alarm actions. To create a new alarm action, click the New button and give the alarm action a meaningful name. In this example, we're going to look at high severity alarms that are raised at the weekend. So under the conditions, we're going to specify we only are interested in alarm severity of high and where the days of the week are Saturday and Sunday. When these conditions are met, we want an action of sending an email to our weekend support team. We can customize the email using the variables. Once complete, click OK to save. For more information on working with alarm actions, check out the video Creating Alarm Actions. Next we'll look at the Diagnostic server configuration. We can configure a mail server settings, specifying the outgoing email address, the default recipient email address, and the mail server settings. Click OK to save. Spotlight Cloud can also integrate with PagerDuty. Enter the appropriate API key information and click OK to save. Similarly, Spotlight Cloud can send SNMP traps. Enter the information and click OK. Next we will look at planned outages. Planned outages tell Spotlight Cloud to stop gathering data for a specified period of time. To create a new planned outage, click Add. Specify the servers that are going to experience the outage and then give the outage a meaningful name. You can specify a schedule as well as a start date and time, and an end date and time, or a duration. Once complete, click OK to save. You can see our planned outage listed. Next, we will look at application status. This screen shows us the status of the diagnostic server, the server it resides on, and the version of the diagnostic server, as well as the status of Spotlight Cloud. We'll get a message in the bottom screen to tell us if everything's okay or if there are issues. The Alarm tab will list any alarms that were raised by the diagnostic server. And the Support Bundle tab will allow us to create a support bundle, which will be created in the following folder, and which we can email to the Spotlight Cloud team as part of a service request. Finally, you can launch Spotlight Cloud directly from the Diagnostic Server app. This has been our quick overview of the Spotlight Cloud Diagnostic Server app.